So, okay, my dear students, today we have a speaking session, and this session is based upon Friday class when I told you about Shivaji Maharaj. And I think that day you would have noted the main important points what you were listening. So, you can use those notes if you like, and by adding your own knowledge if you have any about Shivaji Maharaj. So, you have to speak about that. And it is very good thing that I have got some names like Rakshit, Sushil, Harshit, very good. And the other one must listen to the person who is speaking. Make it clear and have confidence, have focus, then try to speak using the grammar that you are learning here correctly. Try your best. Okay. So first of all, I am calling Rakshit. Yes, come on, Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am telling about Sir Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. As you all know, that Maratha Empire was
Very
one
good.
of the greatest and biggest empire of India. In this empire, many kings were born that who were very brave and wise kings like Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Maharaj, etc. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was a very brave and wise king. He he was in his life. He was fighting against Aurangzeb, which was also a very big king of the Mughal Empire, and
Hmm.
the Aurangzeb imprisoned Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and but by a clever plan, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj escaped the jail
Hmm.
of Aurangzeb in 1666
Hmm.
and came to the Maharashtra, and the people of Maharashtra became very happy and may and celebrating uh, celebrating the
Celebrated.
function
Huh.
yes, sir, celebrated the joy, and but on the other hand, Aurangzeb got very furious, and
Hmm.
he was just thinking that how to defeat Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So he broke all the treaties made with the Maratha Empire, and he was continuously started to giving trouble to the Maratha Empire, but and by seeing this, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj do not
Did not,
set.
did not, did not, did not.
Okay, sir.
Tense
Yes,
का
sir,
ध्यान रखो.
did not set.
Sit.
He
Did not sit.
Okay, sir, did not sit. He stand up and
Stood up.
started.
हाँ बोलो बोलो टेंस
Okay,
का
sir,
ध्यान रखो. हाँ
stood up
फोकस करो. हाँ.
and started to capture many forts of the Mughal Empire, and but Shivaji Maharaj did not get happy by capturing many forts of the Mughal Empire.
Hmm.
He wanted to capture the main fort, that was the Kondana fort, and for this fort, Jijabai, the mother of Shivaji Maharaj, you also said that you means Shivaji Maharaj should capture the Kondana fort, and because and this is my last wish. She said that. So Shivaji Maharaj ha- got confidence and started started to making plans to capture the Kondana fort. He take the oath that until he captured the Kondana fort, he will not he he will not
would not.
eat. Okay, sir. He would not eat happy meal and would not take a sound sleep. And this was the story. This was one of the brave story of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. And like this, there are a lot of stories of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj braveness and
Bravery.
okay, the bravery and 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 that's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा, very good. Yes, come on, Sushil.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My
Confidence के
name
साथ
is
बोलो,
Sushil,
बिल्कुल
and
घबराओ मत,
I am
हाँ.
student of the Rahman Online Interactive Classes from 16. And today my topic is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Maratha Empire was the biggest empire of India,
Hmm.
and in this empire many kings were born, like Chhatrapati Shivaji and Sambhaji. Shivaji was the greatest. Shivaji was the wisest and bravest king in Maratha Empire,
Hmm.
and when Aurangzeb him,
Imprisoned.
yes, sir, imprisoned him at Agra, so to escape, he thought a clever plan, and he succeeded in it at 1666,
Hmm.
and and listening it, the people of Maratha became happy, and and second hand the Aurangzeb got furious,
Hmm. On other hand,
and
second ending,
yes,
on
sir,
other hand.
yes, sir, on other hand Aurangzeb got furious,
Hmm.
and he broke the all treaties which
Hmm.
were made with Shivaji, and he started to harm the Maratha people. Shivaji did not watch all it quietly.
Shabash. Hmm.
Uh, he consulted his brave and wise generals like Pratap Rao Gujar and Miroji,
Shabash. Very good.
and they organized a force to recapture the forts,
Hmm.
and uh, they recaptured all the forts one by one.
Hmm.
Shivaji and his mother were happy, but his mother told him that I am happy to see that you have
डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया. डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया भैया, तो चलो कोई बात नहीं है, इसको बाद में बुलवाएंगे. अब आ जाओ हर्षित.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit Moore, and I'm the student from Ban Online Interactive Classes. Today, I'm going to tell you about Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was one of the greatest emperors who got born on the motherland of India. Sorry, sir, Bharat.
Hmm.
He was the greatest and wise emperor of his time. Uh,
सुशील
uh,
नेक्स्ट बुलाते हैं
the
तुम्हारे को. Hmm. कंटिन्यू करो.
Yes, sir. When Aurangzeb imprisoned him, he thought a clever plan, and he escaped the prison in 1666. And the people of Maharashtra were very joyful to see all this because they could give their life for Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and they were happy with anything that happened with Chhatrapati
शाबाश.
Shivaji Maharaj. And after this, Aurangzeb did not. Aurangzeb got angry, and he started sorry sir, and he broke the treaties made by him with Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. And Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj did not see it all quietly.
Hmm.
He started taking his he started recapturing the forts.
Hmm.
And at last, when he had captured the forts, he was not also as happy as he could, because he had to capture Kondana fort because it was very important fort.
Hmm.
And her mother liked, sorry sir, and his mother liked it too much that he wanted to capture it for her mother also.
Hmm.
And Jijabai asked this from Shivaji Maharaj to do for her as a last wish. So Shivaji Maharaj
हाँ बेटा.
also recaptured this fort by his clever planning with his uh, uh, with his
कोई बात नहीं, तो सुन तो
uh,
सही.
with his
इनको
helpers
सुन तो सही बेटा.
who were Niraji Raoji and
कोई बात नहीं, तो बाद में
also
बोल लेना. अभी तेरा नंबर नहीं लेंगे, तो
वो
बाद में बोल
Pratap
लेना.
Rao Gujjar. That's it, sir.
सुन तो सही बेटा, सुन के कोशिश करना जितना बोल सके ना. हाँ हाँ, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी. हाँ बेटा, आजा. हाँ, कंटिन्यू करो.
Sir, that's it.
ओके, ठीक है बेटा. वेरी गुड. फ्लो बहुत अच्छा तुम्हारा आने लग गया है. कोशिश करो और आ जाएगा. सुशील,
सर
हर्षित,
मैं आ जाऊं?
गौरव. हाँ सुशील, तुम आओ, आ जाओ बेटा.
Yes, sir. And his mother Jijabai said to him that I love the Kondana fort and I want to recapture that.
हाँ.
And for it, Shivaji was also anxious to get back.
हम्म.
And finally, he thought a plan to recapture the fort, and he attacked the Kondana fort, and he got back it.
हम्म.
So in this way, like Shivaji and other kings lost their life for their motherland. So that's it.
लाइव्स. हम्म.
Yes, sir. Lives for their motherland. So that's it.
वेरी गुड. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छा. शाबाश बेटा. यस गौरव.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, I am Gaurav here, and today my topic is about Shivaji. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
हम्म.
He was very brave and very powerful emperor. He was emperor of the Maratha Empire,
हम्म. शाबाश.
and the only enemy of the Maratha Empire was Mughal Empire.
हम्म.
So once upon a time, Aurangzeb imprisoned Shivaji Maharaj,
हम्म.
but Shivaji Maharaj escaped from the prison
वेरी गुड.
in 1666.
हम्म. हम्म.
So Aurangzeb got furious,
हम्म.
and he broke all the treaties
हम्म.
that he made with Shivaji Maharaj, and
हम्म.
started troubling
हम्म.
people of the Maratha Empire.
शाबाश. वेरी गुड.
And
बहुत बढ़िया.
Shivaji couldn't see it normally, so he also recaptured his forts. But Jijabai said that I am happy that you are recapturing our forts, but I will be more happier if
if you could capture the fort of Kondana, I want to see the. I wish that Kondana fort will be
possession.
in our empire.
हाँ ओके ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है, ओके.
In our empire, and if this is my last wish to you, that's it. Thank you, sir.
वेरी गुड. कोशिश किया करो ऐसे ही, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की आज तुमने, शाबाश. कोमल अभी तो रुक के बोलेगी ना बेटा?
Yes, sir.
सुन आराम से इनको, घबराए मत, जितना बोल सकती है उतना सुन के ही बोलना है तेरे को बस. अभी 8 10 15 लोग बोलेंगे बेटा, आराम से सुन इनको, सुनने के बाद फिर लास्ट में बोलना. तू घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी बेटा, कॉन्फिडेंस रखना है बस तेरे को, ठीक है? कबीर साहब, बहुत दिनों बाद आए साहब आज. साहब, कबीर साहब.
Yes, sir.
पधारो साहब. हाँ.
Hello everyone, my name is Kabir. I am the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes from batch P18. Today's my topic is Shivaji Maharaj. As we all know that Shivaji Maharaj is a great person who is so brave and
अब है वो, या पास्ट में आना चाहिए, प्रेजेंट में आना चाहिए?
वो पास्ट में आना चाहिए.
तेरे को तो ध्यान ही नहीं है कुछ भी. साहब और लिखता है अपने आगे, कबीर साहब ऐसे होते हैं साहब? ध्यान से
Yes,
बोल,
sir.
दोबारा बोल. यस सर बोल रहा है, ऐसे नहीं होते साहब, ध्यान से बोल. टेंस का ध्यान रख, अगर बार बार कह रहा हूं मैं. ध्यान
Yes,
से बोल.
sir.
हाँ.
Today's my topic is Shivaji Maharaj. As we all know that Shivaji Maharaj is was a great person.
फोकस
who
कर, फोकस कर थोड़ा दिमाग पे जरा अपना. हाँ बोल.
who was so kind and सर चालाक को क्या बोलते हैं?
क्या चालाक नहीं, चतुर थे वो, क्लेवर, वाइज. वाइज बोलो, वाइज. हाँ.
And he was so clever, wise. When Aurangzeb imprisoned them, him.
हाँ. फोकस कर, फोकस की कमी दिख रही है बस. बोल.
Imprisoned him in 1666 in Agra. He show their cleverness. He shows their wiseness.
शोज क्यों आएगा? फिर
showed their wiseness.
आएगा. देयर क्यों आएगा? His wisdom. वाइजनेस नहीं, विजडम.
सर मैं थोड़ी देर बाद बोल सकता हूँ क्या?
थोड़ी देर बाद ही बोलना, ध्यान से सुन, बाकी लोगों को सुन नहीं रहा है तू?
हाँ सर.
हाँ सर, सुन, मैं बार बार कह रहा हूँ ना, सुन दूसरों को. अभी कितना अच्छा अच्छा बोल के गए हैं लोग. चलो यामिनी तुम आओ, अब सुनना जरा ध्यान से, जरा सब लोगों को. यामिनी आओ.
सर मैं भी थोड़ी देर बाद बोलना चाहती हूँ.
सुना करो बेटा, ऐसे नहीं बेटा, है ना? सुनोगे नहीं तो फिर कैसे परफॉर्म आएगा? रटने का तो कोई काम है ही नहीं अपने, पता है बेटा तुम्हारे को, इसलिए तो ये सारी प्रैक्टिस करवा रहा हूँ मैं बेटा तुम्हारे को, है ना? लिखने के लिए भी मैंने क्यों नहीं दिया आपको, मुझे पता था कि आप लिख लोगे तो फिर गड़बड़ हो जाएगी. लिखने के लिए दिया ही नहीं मैंने इसको आपको, इसलिए मैं कहा था नोट्स उतार लो आप. तुमको पता ही नहीं होता क्लास में क्या होने वाला, मुझे ही नहीं पता होता क्लास में क्या होने वाला है, तभी तो सीखोगे बेटा तुम, ऐसे थोड़ी. यस आदित्य. यस हैं?
ये तो बोल रहा हूँ. हाँ. Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Donavat. I am the student of Ramband Online Interactive Classes from B18. Today's our topic is about Shivaji Maharaj. As you know that Shivaji Maharaj is very clever and nice king of the Maharashtra
Is he a was?
was very clever and smart king in the Maharashtra Empire,
हम्म,
and the story of Shivaji Maharaj was very famous in India.
हम्म,
Uh, but one day British police arrested Shivaji Maharaj, and
अच्छा, बोल बोल बोल, हाँ बोल बोल,
they and they go to Agra's imprisoned.
सुनता नहीं है ध्यान से, है ना?
They
अंग्रेजों ने पकड़ा था
and
उसको, अंग्रेजों ने पकड़ा था 1666 में, अंग्रेज आ गए थे इंडिया में। कितने लोगों ने बोला है, ध्यान से सुन ही नहीं रहे हो आप। अब ध्यान से सुनो आप, बाकी के लोगों को फिर बुलाऊंगा तुम्हारे को मैं। सर क्या कर रहे हो? ब्रिटिश कहाँ से आ गए, आगरा चले गए। ध्यान से सुनो जरा, ऐसे नहीं। फिर बुलाता हूँ तुम्हारे को मैं, तैयारी करो। तैयारी का मतलब सुनो आप बाकी के लोगों को ध्यान से। और लोग आ रहे हैं अभी। प्रिया, अब सुनना जरा ध्यान से प्रिया को। चलो प्रिया।
सर
हाँ,
कैमरा ऑफ कर दो, नेटवर्क इशू है।
कौन सा इश्यू है? नेट तेरा तो कैमरा ऑफ ही है शुरू से ही। कैमरा चालू कब किया तूने?
नहीं सर, स्पीकिंग के लिए।
तो स्पीकिंग के लिए बंद ही है कैमरा तो तेरा बेटा।
हाँ सर।
चल बोल।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Priya Meena. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's our topic is Chhatrapati Shivaji.
हम्म,
Chhatrapati Shivaji was the brave and wise king of the Maratha kingdom,
हम्म,
and he was the pride of Maratha Empire also.
हम्म,
And his life, his life story inspires us and our generation.
हम्म,
In his life, there was a story.
हम्म,
He was uh, uh, one day he was imprisoned by Aurangzeb,
हम्म,
but with the help of his sharp mind,
हम्म,
he got escaped from here where
हम्म,
from there.
हम्म,
And Aurangzeb was Aurangzeb was furious because of this.
हम्म,
And
शाबाश। हम्म,
Jeb started to trouble the Maratha kingdoms, and then Shivaji Shivaji made plans,
हम्म,
and he he made a powerful force
हम्म,
to defeat Aurangzeb,
शाबाश,
and
वेरी गुड। हम्म,
he made his powerful force, and but he recaptured and he recaptured the forts.
हम्म,
He recaptures fort, but Shivaji was not satisfied because there was a wish of his mother that the
हम्म,
Kondana fort is achieved by Shivaji,
हाँ,
and Shivaji also desired.
शुड बी कॉन्कर्ड। हाँ बोलो, आगे बोलो।
Shivaji had also desired
हम्म,
to achieve the Kondana fort.
टू
He
अचीव नहीं, टू गेट बैक।
to
अचीव
get
नहीं। हम्म,
so he had decided that he would achieve the Kondana fort. He
अचीव नहीं
all
बेटा, अचीव नहीं बेटा, गेट बैक।
get
कैप्चर,
back.
कैप्चर यूज कर लो आप, रिकैप्चर यूज कर लो आप।
Yes, sir.
अचीव नहीं बेटा, अचीव एक अलग वर्ड होता है। हाँ,
He also said to his mother that I will not enjoy a hearty meal and a sound sleep till then I recapture the Kondana fort.
हम्म,
And then Shivaji was always determined and had a strategic plans
हम्म,
in his life. He
हम्म,
is the inspiration of our generation. That's it, sir.
ओके ठीक है, वेरी गुड। ये एबिलिटी होनी चाहिए हमारे अंदर। कि जितना भी पता है हम उसको यूज करके अपनी चीजों को कह सकें, नहीं तो फायदा ही क्या है फिर। समझ रहे हो आप? हाँ, सुनो ध्यान से एक दूसरे को आप, तब जा करके काम चलेगा सर। बैठे रहने से थोड़ी काम चलेगा। लिसनिंग भी तो जरूरी है ना। ना तो आपने उस दिन ध्यान से सुना, ना आपने रिकॉर्डिंग देखी, ना आप आज ध्यान से सुन रहे हो, तो बताओ कैसे बोलोगे फिर आप? फिर तो आप तो औरंगजेब को तो आपको भूल गए और आप ब्रिटिश से पकड़वा रहे हो उसको। ब्रिटिश कहाँ थे बेटा? 1666 में तो ब्रिटिश थे ही नहीं। चलो हम सही मान भी लें उसको, पर वो तो आए ही नहीं थे बेटा। तो आए ही बहुत बाद में है। सो ना, यस नाउ मधु।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Madhu Kumari Meena. I am the student of Ramban Interactive Classes from West 20. Today my topic Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj was a brave and wise king of Marathas,
शाबाश।
and uh, he also was enemy of Aurangzeb.
हम्म,
One day Aurangzeb
शाबाश शाबाश।
imprisoned
हाँ,
uh, imprisoned at Agra and
इम्प्रिजन्ड हिम, ऑब्जेक्ट तो आएगा ना।
imprisoned him. Shivaji had Shivaji made a clever plan
हम्म,
and he escaped 1666
हम्म, इन 1666।
in 1666.
हम्म,
Marathas people was very
वर वर वर,
were very
फोकस करो थोड़ा सा।
enjoyed and joy.
हाँ,
Okay. On other hand, Aurangzeb was very angry and curious. Um, Aurangzeb Aurangzeb was Shivaji Maharaj made the force to
what happened?
fight
He got furious. Aurangzeb got furious. Then what happened? What did he do?
because
तो बिकॉज नहीं पूछ
Shivaji
रहे हैं,
Maharaj
बिकॉज नहीं, वाई, व्हाट डिड ही डू? गुस्सा हो गया, फिर क्या किया उसने? गुस्सा होने के बाद कुछ तो किया होगा ना।
Aurangzeb
स्टार्टेड,
started to trouble the Marathas
ऐसे,
people.
हाँ, लिंक टूट जाएगा ना
Shivaji
नहीं तो
Maharaj,
फिर। हाँ हाँ,
okay sir.
आगे बोलो।
Shivaji Maharaj, uh, Shivaji Maharaj totally uh, was quiet and he made the force and he recaptured many forts,
हम्म,
but his mother uh, was not satisfied
शाबाश।
and he she told the Shivaji Maharaj
हम्म,
that uh, re- that you
ये कोई टू रिकैप्चर कर दो ना, बात खत्म हो गई। He
to
asked शिवाजी
recapture
महाराज, he
the
asked शिवाजी महाराज टू रिकैप्चर, ऐसे बना दिया करो ना, टू इन्फिनिटिव
to
का यूज करके।
recapture the Kondana fort. Shivaji uh, Shivaji Maharaj told uh, told that he he would not sleep sound sleep and he would not eat good meal.
शाबाश शाबाश,
The
बोलते जाओ, घबराओ
Shivaji
मत।
Maharaj, the Shivaji Maharaj made strategies
हाँ, शाबाश शाबाश
strategies
शाबाश, हाँ बोलते रहो, घबराओ
and
मत। हाँ,
the Kondana fort won.
टू
That's it,
विन,
sir.
टू गेट बैक कोंडाना फोर्ट।
Okay, sir.
हाँ ओके, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा। ऐसे घबराया मत करो, अभी 2-5-7 दिन में अपने आप दौड़ने लग जाओगे। समझ गए ना? हाँ बेटा, घबराना नहीं है। बाकी के नाम लिखो भैया, आ जाओ, बचेगा एक भी नहीं। काजल कहाँ गई? काजल कहाँ है? वेयर इज काजल? क्या है, नाम क्यों नहीं
यस
लिखती अपना?
सर, मैंने उस दिन सुना नहीं था तो मैं थोड़ा
अब तो सुन लिया ना, इतने लोगों ने बोला है भाई। अब तो सुन रही है ना बेटा, इतने लोगों ने बोला है, कुछ तो आइडिया आया होगा।
यस सर।
तो बोल, तो सुना क्यों नहीं तूने? हमने तो रिकॉर्डिंग डाली थी।
सर मैं भूल गई।
भूल गई? तू भूलती बहुत है। और मैंने तो उसका लिंक भी डाला था। अब तूने जितना सुना है, जितना भी तेरे को आइडिया है शिवाजी के बारे में, बोल बोल बेटा, बोल
यस सर।
बोल बेटा, घबराया मत,
हेलो
मेरा ग्रुप
एवरीवन।
है एक तो, तुम मैं नहीं कर सकती। बोल।
Hello everyone, my name is Kajal Meena. Today my topic is Shivaji Maharaj.
हम्म,
Uh, as we all know that Shivaji Maharaj is a great king of Marathas
वास
and
वास
he
पास्ट
was
टेंस
very
रहेगा।
wise
हाँ
and
ऐसे, शाबाश शाबाश
uh,
शाबाश, बोल। हाँ
he was very wise king. And one day one day Aurangzeb uh, imprisoned the Shivaji Maharaj.
हम्म,
Then the Shivaji Maharaj uh, escaped
एस्केप्ड,
from escaped from his
प्रिजन।
prison.
हम्म,
Then after it, the Aurangzeb got furious
हाँ
and he started
शाबाश,
trouble. uh, and then Shivaji Maharaj thought a plan,
वेरी
and
गुड।
he started uh, uh, a big force.
स्टार्टेड मेकिंग, या ही बिल्ट, या ही मेड हिज फोर्स। हाँ बोलो, आराम से बोलो, घबराओ मत।
Then the built a big force
हम्म
and got many forts.
गॉट बैक, बैक लगाना पड़ेगा ना, क्योंकि उन्हीं के तो थे वो। बैक लगा दोगे तो वापस
Yes,
लेना
sir.
हो जाएगा। हाँ,
He got back many
और इससे भी,
forts.
गॉट बैक से भी अच्छा बेटा, रिकैप्चर्ड। कोई बात नहीं, बोलो आप। अच्छा बोल रहे हो, वेरी गुड, बोलते रहो, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी, डरो मत बिल्कुल भी। हाँ
Then he recaptured many forts,
हाँ
but his mother was not happy
शाबाश,
because he asked the Shivaji Maharaj to got back the Kontana fort,
हाँ
and then the Shivaji Maharaj got back.
शाबाश शाबाश।
That's it, sir.
हो गया,
Yes,
बहुत
sir.
अच्छी। डरती क्यों है? क्या डरना था इसमें?
Sir,
सुनना
वो
तेरी
मैं
रिकॉर्ड। डरना नहीं होता है बेटा, हमें मालूम है तुम कर सकते हो यार। 10 लोगों को सुन लिया हमने बैठ करके, और क्या चाहिए? आइडिया आ गया कि नहीं आ गया? फिर क्या
yes,
है
sir.
इसमें? अपने को कोई तैयारी करनी, की तैयारी कुछ नहीं होती है। सुन लिया, अच्छे से सुनो और बोल दो, बस बात खत्म हो गई। और क्या करना था उसमें? हाँ हाँ, डरना नहीं होता बेटा, गेट रेडी ऑलवेज, ठीक है ना? हाँ, अब आप उस लेवल पर हो भाई। अब थोड़ी ऐसे होता है कि पहले से तैयारी करके आएंगे। यस वैष्णवी, आ जा बेटा।
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18. And today our topic is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
हम्म
As we know that Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was a great and wise king.
हम्म
When Aurangzeb, the emperor of the Mughal Empire, uh, he caught him. He caught him in jail, and he thought Shivaji Maharaj thought a clever plan to escape from the jail in 1666. Then the people of Maharashtra then the people of Maharashtra was very happy,
Were.
were happy and joyful, and uh, Aurangzeb Aurangzeb got furious and break all the treaties
Broke.
made
Second
by
form. हाँ.
made with by Shivaji Maharaj, and he began to capture the small kingdoms of Maharashtra,
Hmm.
and Shivaji Shivaji didn't watch quietly, and he advanced his consult like he's the
आराम से.
like his
आराम से.
major
आराम से.
generals
Hmm.
Niraji Rao Ramji, Pratap Rao Gujar, and then his mother Jijaji Bai
Hmm.
asked him to capture the Kondana fort, and she she said to his son that I love this fort because of its importance, and Shivaji Shivaji swear that I will capture Shivaji swear that
Swear नहीं,
I
swore.
will
Second form आएगी ना.
swore.
थोड़ा सा focus करो बेटा.
Shivaji swore that I will not enjoy a hearty meal and soundly sleep until capture the Kondana fort. Yes, sir, that's it.
थोड़ा सा focus करो बेटा. है ना. और अच्छा
Yes.
होना चाहिए था. चलो अब आ जाओ. कौन है और जो लोग रह गए थे वो आ जाओ. और कौन कौन रह गया देखो. अभी यहाँ पर काजल हो गई, मधु हो गई, अंजलि नहीं है क्या? अंजलि का नाम नहीं आया अभी. आदित्य है, बोलना है.
Yes, sir.
बोलो.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Dharnavat. I am the student of Ramban online interactive classes from Beating. Today's our topic is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. As we all know that Chhatrapati Shivaji was very nice king and clever king in India, in Maharashtra kingdom, and this is very nice thing for Maharashtra people.
Hmm.
Uh, and story of the Chhatrapati Shivaji. So now I tell the story of Chhatrapati Shivaji. There are uh, so many kings in Maharashtra kingdom, and Chhatrapati Shivaji is one of them.
Hmm.
Uh, Chhatrapati Shivaji is a nice king for the Maharashtra kingdom. So Maharashtra people was very lucky. They uh, 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 because because they want a nice king, and Chhatrapati Shivaji help them. Um, uh, but one day क्या उनको वो कौन थे जो छत्रपति शिवाजी को उठा के ले गए थे? उनका नाम ही अजीब सा है.
औरंगजेब था, औरंगजेब ने इम्प्रिजन किया था उसको, थोड़ा सा फोकस कर बेटा।
Yes, sir. Aurangzeb imprisoned Chhatrapati Shivaji and they go to Agra and Chhatrapati Shivaji thought a plan and to escape for the Agra. Uh, One day Chhatrapati Shivaji escaped from the uh, Aurangzeb imprisoned
औरंगजेब
uh,
इम्प्रिजन,
imprisoned
औरंगजेब प्रिजन।
Aurangzeb prison. Uh, कैसे डायरेक्शन में इतना ही बोल सकता हूँ?
बेटा थोड़ा फोकस कर, थोड़ा सा लेवल बढ़ रहा है, उसके हिसाब से काम चीजें कर बेटा, समझ गया ना?
Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
अच्छा नहीं है बेटा तेरा परफॉर्मेंस, ना ध्यान से सुनता है कुछ, ठीक कर थोड़ा सा। हाँ बेटा, अपने आप को राइटिंग करना है, इसके ऊपर राइटिंग करके मेरे को सेंड करना। उस दिन नोट्स बनाए थे नहीं बनाए थे तुमने? नोट्स बनाए थे नहीं बनाए थे?
सर बनाया है तो मेरे को बस वो ना औरंगजेब का
नहीं नहीं, औरंगजेब नहीं, वैसे भी थोड़ा सा फोकस करो बेटा आप चीजों पे, है ना? हाँ, यस अंजलि।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Anjali. Today I am telling about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
हाँ
Uh, Chhatrapati Shivaji was the greatest kingdom of Maratha kingdom,
हाँ
and he was brave and wise king,
हम्म
and he was kind. He
हैं?
was kind.
हाँ
He was kind king,
हाँ
and one day he was imprisoned by Aurangzeb,
हाँ
and he escaped from in 1666,
हाँ
and after this Aurangzeb get furious
कॉट।
got furious, and he started to trouble
हम्म
the Maratha kingdom,
हम्म
and Shivaji made this force.
दिस क्यों आएगा, हिज आएगा।
His force
हम्म
uh, he captured to recapture to
टू की कोई जरूरत नहीं है।
fort,
हाँ बोलो बोलो।
but his and his mother uh, desire was Kondana fort. Get
वाज वहां क्यों आ गया, वाज की
get
क्या
the
जरूरत है, चलो आगे बोलो।
get the Kondana fort,
हाँ
and uh, for this fort very important fort
वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट।
was very important fort for him.
हाँ
Uh, that's it, sir.
ओके, थोड़ा सा फोकस करो बेटा। और कोई?
सर मेरा
हाँ बोलो, आ जाओ।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Yashashvi Saw. I'm a student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes. So today my topic is Shivaji Maharaj. So if we go back in our history, we found so many brave
फाउंड नहीं,
stories about.
फाइंड।
Sorry, sir. We find so many brave stories about our great kings. The Chhatrapati Maharaj Shivaji is one of them.
हाँ
The Chhatrapati Maharaj Shivaji was very kind, brave king in our history.
हाँ
Uh, the Chhatrapati Shivaji ji is a great example for inspiring the current generation.
हाँ
Chhatrapati Shivaji ji was the great enemy for Mughal Empire.
ऑफ फोर नहीं
Of Mughal Empire. The king of Mughal Empire was Aurangzeb, and one time Aurangzeb captured the Shivaji Maharaj in 1666 in Agra.
हाँ
That time the Maharaj Shivaji escaped in the prison.
फ्रॉम इन कैसे आएगा
Sorry, sir, from the
थोड़ा सा ध्यान
from
तो दो बेटा क्या कर रहे हो ऐसे हाँ
sorry sir
ऐसी
from
गलतियां मत करो बेटा हाँ
the net of Aurangzeb by his wiseness.
वाइजनेस नहीं बेटा विजडम यूजिंग इज विजडम वाइजनेस क्या होता है
With
वाइजनेस कोई वर्ड ही नहीं होता थोड़ा ध्यान
by
करो फोकस करो बेटा ऐसे नहीं बेटा हाँ
by his wisdom. Then the Aurangzeb
उतना बोलो
became
जितना ठीक ढंग से बोल पाओ बाकी की चीजें ऐसे मत बोलो उसको बेकार कर देते हैं अपन पूरा बोलो बोलो आगे बोलो
yes sir. Then the Aurangzeb became furious and started trouble Maharashtra kingdom.
हाँ
But Shivaji Maharaj, Shivaji Maharaj made plans and fight with Aurangzeb, fought with Aurangzeb and recaptured so many fought again.
हाँ
But the Shivaji Maharaj was not satisfied
हाँ
because he did not captured
डिड नॉट कैप्चर्ड
Kon
क्यों आएगा कुड नॉट कैप्चर आएगा फर्स्ट फॉर्म में तो आएगी क्या कर रही है बेटा यार
could,
बार बार इतनी वर्ब्स की गलती करती है यार
could not capture Kundana fort.
ऐसे क्या कर रही है कितनी बार समझा चुका हूँ मैं तेरे को
Yes, sir.
फिर
Not only Shivaji Maharaj but also so many other Marathas was also with him, like Yeshaji, Baji, Santaji, Ramji, Chhatrapati Shivaji, etc.
वादा आया वर आएगा यहाँ पर बेटा
with them. So the Maratha Empire was a great and brave empire. Thank you, sir. That's it.
बेटा बहुत गलती करती है बेटा बहुत ज्यादा गलतियां करती है वर्ब में तो बहुत ज्यादा गलतियां करती है तू बिल्कुल टूटा फूटा चल रहा है एकदम तेरा बेटा आई एम नॉट सेटिस्फाइड यार अच्छा और कोई है हाँ बोलो
सर मैं
फटाफट से
कबीर
हाँ बोलो कबीर अच्छे से बोलना थोड़ा सा
यस सर
हाँ
हेलो everyone, my name is Kabir. I am the student of Rambad online interactive classes from batch P18. Today's my topic is Chhatrapati Maharaj Shivaji.
हाँ
As we all know that when Aurangzeb imprisoned the Shivaji Maharaj in 1666 in Agra, the whole Maratha kingdom became very furious and sad.
हाँ
But on the other hand, Shivaji Maharaj started planning to escape
एस्केप
the
क्यों आएगा टू के बाद फर्स्ट फॉर्म आती है
to escape the prison
हाँ फ्रॉम द प्रिजन
from the prison.
हाँ
When the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj escaped the prison, whole Maratha kingdom became
क्यों बिकेम आएगा
very happy.
बहुत गलतियां करते हो वर्ब फॉर्म की ध्यान ही नहीं रखते हो कौन सा वर्ब फॉर्म यूज करना है फोकस ही नहीं करते हो बेटा बोलो
On the other hand, Aurangzeb got furious and started attacking on the small Maratha kingdom.
Very good.
The Marathas determined to give their life for Shivaji.
बोलता रहे.
But the Shivaji was very wise, and they start
दे
their.
क्यों आएगा? ही नहीं आएगा. दे किसके लिए लगा रहा है? कुछ भी बोल देता है.
He started his strategy.
He made his strategy. Started कैसे होगा?
He made his strategy.
हाँ.
He fought with Aurangzeb and reclaim all the kingdoms.
Recaptured.
Okay, sir. Recaptured all the kingdoms.
हाँ.
But his mother Jijabai want to recapture.
want.
Oh, sir, recaptured लगा दिया ना मैंने.
क्या लगा दिया वहां पे? फाइनाइट वर्ब कौन सी आएगी? टू रिकैप्चर आएगा. कहीं भी लगा देगा क्या? उसकी माँ चाहती थी. यहाँ रहे ना टेंस तो. वांटेड टू रिकैप्चर. कहीं भी कुछ भी लगा के बोल देगा क्या?
But his mother wanted to recapture the Kondana kingdom.
हाँ.
Because she loved it so much.
हाँ.
Then the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj said to her mother that he don't eat food.
Don't कैसे आएगा? अब ये जो पास्ट की बात बता रहा है तो
he
didn't भी नहीं आएगा. He would not आएगा.
Oh, sorry sir.
Sorry
he
नहीं,
would.
डांट पड़ेगी अब तेरे को. कुछ भी बोल देता है जो मन में आता है. ठीक कर.
Yes sir. He would not eat food properly and sleep properly. Slept properly.
Slept क्यों आएगा? Would not sleep ही तो आएगा.
Would not sleep properly. And then the Shivaji Maharaj recaptured the Kondana's kingdom. Kondana kingdom. Yes sir, that's it.
थोड़ा ध्यान से कर. एक ही गलती बार बार कब तक करता रहेगा तू? चलो ठीक है. सबका हो गया. कोई रह गया अभी? I think all have done. मुस्कान तुम्हारा रह गया. नहीं बोलना. कोमल बोल. कोमल आ जा बेटा.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Barwa and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 11. And today our topic is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. And we all know that we live in India and we have many bravest and cleverest kings, and all kings, most of the kings sacrificed their life for their motherland, and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is the one of them. And Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was the wise and clever king of Maharashtra, and Aurangzeb imprisoned him in Agra, and Chhatrapati Shivaji thought a plan, and he escaped in 1666, and all Maharashtra's people felt happy, and they enjoyed that moment. And then Aurangzeb was very angry and he broke all
was नहीं,
treaties
became
with.
very angry. Was नहीं, became लगाओ यहाँ पे. हाँ, अच्छा बोल रहे हो, बोलो.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
He became very angry and he broke all treaties with Chhatrapati Shivaji and he was very curious to fight with Chhatrapati Shivaji and he was very curious to become Chhatrapati Shivaji in trouble and
Become क्यों यहाँ पे? चलो आगे बोलो. थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना इस पे, सुनना जरा अपना. आगे बोलो तुम. बोलो
yes,
आगे
sir.
बोलो.
And Chhatrapati Shivaji had Chhatrapati Shivaji had very good soldiers and like Pratap Rao, Gujar, Miraji, Raoji, etc. And all soldiers were very good for him. And Chhatrapati Shivaji was born in 19th February 1630 and his full name was Shivaji Sahaji Bhosle and his parents' name was Shahaji and
हाँ.
Jijabai and Orange Chhatrapati Shivaji had to battle with Aurangzeb, battle name of Kondana, and his mother was also wanted to recapture Kondana fort, and Chhatrapati Shivaji also wanted to fulfill his mother's wishes, and the Maharashtra's and Chhatrapati Shivaji leadership, and they were able to successfully recapture the Kondana fort. That's it.
ओके, ठीक है, वेरी गुड. कोशिश की ना, अच्छे से हुआ. और थोड़ा ध्यान करो जरा चीजों पे. रिकॉर्डिंग सुना करो अपने आप. बहुत सारी चीजें आपको वैसे ही पता चल जाएंगी. यस, और कोई? आई थिंक सबने कर लिया है. ओके, चलो मुस्कान ने नहीं बोला. मुस्कान ठीक करो अपने आप को.